Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan tteokbokki. First, gather your essential ingredients: 250 grams of Korean rice cakes, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, and a savory vegan broth. Make sure your rice cakes are fresh or properly thawed. Wash and chop your vegetables, such as 1 cup of green onions, 1 cup of cabbage, and 100 grams of mushrooms, preparing them for later use in this delicious dish. Next, let's craft the flavorful sauce. Begin by creating a rich vegan broth using about 4 cups of water, dried kelp, and dried shiitake mushrooms for a deep umami flavor. In a separate bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of a sweetener like maple syrup. Whisk this mixture until smooth, ensuring all ingredients are well incorporated for the perfect spicy base. Now it's time to cook our tteokbokki. Bring your prepared vegan broth to a gentle simmer in a large pan or pot. Carefully add the 250 grams of rice cakes and the mixed spicy sauce to the simmering broth, stirring continuously to ensure everything is well coated. Cook for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the rice cakes become wonderfully tender and the sauce has thickened to a rich, glossy consistency. Keep stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. For the finishing touches, stir in your prepared vegetables, such as the sliced cabbage and green onions, during the last 2 to 3 minutes of cooking. This ensures they remain slightly crisp. Garnish the finished tteokbokki generously with toasted sesame seeds and additional chopped green onions for a fresh burst of flavor and color. Serve this comforting and spicy meal immediately, perhaps alongside some pickled radishes or kimchi for an authentic Korean experience. Enjoy your homemade, vegan tteokbokki.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.